Just hopping on here quickly to encourage my fellow digital marketers to just keep pushing. The plan won't work if you don't work the plan, and nothing has ever been achieved by giving up. And the fact that it's not easy, that means that it's worth it. That shows you that there is something behind it. It's not just a little quick rich pyramid scheme nonsense. So just keep on going. And if you're listening to this and you were interested in joining our community of really exciting digital marketing businesses, then just click the link below. There's a reason why you're here. Just click the link. There's no obligation. It's free of charge. I'll send you a blueprint and you can have a look at the business. And we would like to help you. That's what we do. We're in the hope business. And you start your own business. You don't work for me. You just do your own thing with the help of a community that is really brilliant with its support. So click the link or send me a message and we can start talking.